Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection but you cannot browse Google, App Gallery or any browser, use any browser on Huawei Nova Y90. So in order to fix this, let's open the browser, and as you can see there's an error. Next is App Gallery. Try downloading some apps. But the app won't download, it will pause all the time. So let's cancel it and try fixing it by going to the settings. Now find the system and update. Here date and time, and set time automatically. Now if we go back to the browser, the pages should load properly. Let's open YouTube, for example. Now App Gallery, let's try installing the same app, and it does. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.